So come hang out with me today as I organize my daughter's clothes she no longer fits into. I have just been piling up bags of clothes and just realized that I can no longer do this. I need to organize them. And I actually recently did buy these bins from Walmart to organize them. They've just kind of been sitting around. So I'm like, okay, let's do this today as she naps and get this done. My first thought was just to buy a big one and kind of just throw them all in there, but I'm like, that's not like functional for me, and I want to be able to find exactly what I want to find in the future just in case we end up having another daughter. I want to be able to find like the newborn clothes fast or the 0 to 3 clothes fast and make it like accessible as possible. So buying these bins and kind of just organizing everything by size just again puts at the peace of mind that I can find something easy in the future. Like also putting all the PJs together is just like you can grab that bin and they're all just PJs. So it just makes me feel so happy. But also, again, I just kind of put it off because it made me so sad. Recently, she just grew out of her 0 to 3. She's like always been on the smaller size. So when she no longer fit in her 0 to 3 outfits, it like made my mama heart break because I'm like, she is growing so fast and it just is just so sad. And I didn't want to, admit she could no longer fit, but I'm like, okay, she no longer fits. Let's get stuff organized and put away. So we're not just like looking at this mess of piles of clothes. And it actually made me feel so much better to get it done and get everything organized and not have to worry about it or look at them anymore. I also did end up buying a bigger bin for all her keepsakes for her to have in the future because she's definitely building up the collection, and it made me so excited to do this for her so I can give it to her one day or go through it with her one day and be like, look at all these things that are just for you and you can do whatever you please with it as you want in the future. So excited and happy to get this finally done today. So for right now, here are her newborn stuff. This is 0 to 3. That's 0 to 3. That's 3 months. That's 3 to 6 months, and that's 6 months. I ended up going back through her clothes, and there were a lot of stuff that would be like summertime that she wouldn't necessarily fit into, or it's not the right season for 3 to 6 or for 6 months. So this 0 to 3 months is not all her clothes. I still have a whole drawer full of clothes. These are just the stuff that I took out that she didn't fit into. So I still have a bunch of clothes that need to go in these bins. So I was thinking is there was a next size up for these that I might just have to go back and get those. Then I did get some of her stuff, trying to get stuff out of the way here, in her keepsake bin. So right now I have her 4th of July stuff, her Halloween stuff, the stuff she came up from home in the hospital. This is from like her baby shower and balloons that people got us for when she came home. This is also not all of it. I have stuff that's on her playmat. I have stuff that is upstairs, so I still have stuff that needs to go in here, but this is definitely a start. Like I said, I might have to go back to Walmart and get bigger bins because I definitely have way more stuff than this, but we're just kind of gonna go with it for now and see what it looks like. So thanks for hanging out with me as I get stuff organized.